Hello, and welcome to a video for Grade 12 Essential Math on maintenance. Maintenance is a cost that you'll have to pay whenever you own a house, but it's not a regular cost that you'll pay monthly or yearly. This is something that you pay when things break or to prevent things from breaking. Let's take a look at the two types of maintenance. Preventative maintenance is maintenance that you do before something breaks. There's a bunch of different types of maintenance. You could, for example, replace your furnace filter. Every couple of months, you should replace your furnace filter, which helps your furnace work more efficiently and helps prevent problems. You could do something like cleaning out your eaves troughs. You have eaves troughs on your house, clean them out, make sure there's no leaves in them before winter, because that way they won't get jammed up and you won't get ice damming, which can cause damage to your roof. If you have a septic tank, your septic tank might need to be pumped regularly. You want to get that pumped before it overflows. Trust me, you really want it pumped before it overflows. You could check and replace the smoke alarms or the batteries in your smoke alarms. That's something before it breaks. Or a simple one is if you're going away on vacation, have a friend check in on your house. Make sure everything's doing okay. Could be something as simple as, hey, they're going to come over and water your plants. In the winter, it's a good idea for them to come over and make sure the heat is working. Some insurance contracts say that you have to have someone that you trust come over to check to make sure the heat's working so your pipes don't freeze. That's important, and one of the nice things about preventative maintenance is that many of these things are really quite cheap. Furnace filters are not particularly expensive, but they can help keep your furnace in good working order. Cleaning the eaves troughs generally doesn't cost you any money, but helps prevent damage to your roof. Many other things you can do that help prevent damage, prevent problems with your house before they work or before they cause problems. One example as well, maybe you could add a high water alarm to your sump pump pit. You have a sump pump and the motor on your sump pump breaks, it might be a big problem. You have a high water alarm, it could alert you of that problem before you flood your basement. Emergency maintenance is maintenance you do after something breaks. So emergency maintenance could be anything in your house that broke and you need to fix it. Guess what? That's something that is called emergency maintenance. By its nature, you can't really predict emergency maintenance, but you can help prevent it by doing preventative maintenance tasks. Emergency maintenance might be something like a broken window or hail damage, or maybe your hot water tank dies, or maybe it's January and it's minus 40 out and your furnace just stops working and you're really cold. Well, emergency maintenance is something that you would need to do in order to fix that. So these are tasks that you need to do when something breaks. Preventative before it breaks, emergency after it breaks. Generally, preventative is much cheaper than emergency maintenance. Getting for example, your furnace checked before the winter is a really good thing to do. Might cost you a couple $100 tops and could prevent some problems. Having your furnace break in the middle of winter and having to have someone come in and replace it the same day could cost you several $1,000s very easily. So it's cheaper to prevent the problem before it happens. Hope this has been a little bit helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.